Symmetry. Let's talk about some art words, vocabulary, and concepts. What are art words? Art words are vocabulary that explain art concepts to help you plan, create, revise, and understand art. In the visual arts, art words are words that explain important ideas in art. For example, symmetry. Symmetry is the balance between elements or parts of an artwork that mirror each other across a dividing line. Symmetry creates a visual balance for harmony through order in artwork. Let's practice. Look at this symmetrical artwork. What is repeating or matches on both sides of the white dividing line? So why would you use symmetry? Artists use symmetry to draw the eye to a focal point and to create balance. Symmetry is even in nature. Look around. Symmetry can be found in the natural world too, in snowflakes, insect wings, even antlers, flowers, and starfish. There are 3 types of symmetry: 1, reflective, 2, radial, and 3, asymmetry. Reflective symmetry mirrors elements across a central vertical or horizontal axis. That means a line down the middle or side to side. Radial symmetry radiates or repeats patterns equally outward from a center point, over and over again. Asymmetry uses different elements within the artwork to create a visual weight that is equal. This creates a sense of balance without exactly mirroring. Symmetry in art can be found in all different places: drawing, architecture, painting, and more. Symmetry in art. Here are some examples. What type of symmetry do you see in these pieces? For example, in Tibetan mandalas, you can see radial symmetry. These are highly detailed spiritual paintings that use the radial symmetry, the repeating patterns from a central point, to show the cosmic balance in the universe. The Last Supper is a painting by Leonardo da Vinci. He used really strict linear perspective and architectural symmetry. Do you see the windows behind the table? To focus your eyes directly on Jesus, who is in the center of the painting. The Taj Mahal is an example of architectural symmetry. The massive structure uses perfect bilateral symmetry to show order and harmony. This means it matches on both sides. Let's do a review. Symmetry is the balance between elements of an artwork that mirror each other across dividing lines. Symmetry creates visual balance or harmony through order in the artwork. And there are 3 types of symmetry: reflective, radial, and asymmetry. Now, how will you create great art using this art word, symmetry? Thank you for joining us today. For more art-related content, please follow along, like, and subscribe to Bold Soul Whimsy. We'll see you in the next one.